Luge is essentially ultimate sledding. We're going up to 90 miles an hour, pulling 4 to 5 Gs.
We're timed to the thousandth of a second, so you want every advantage you can get.
Everyone in the world is getting faster and faster.
The goal is solid metal.
Our coaches and our athletes are constantly thinking about new ways to try to go faster down the track. And what 3D printing does is help us get those concepts to ice a lot quicker.
The biggest thing with 3D printing is the fact that we can replicate things exactly is so groundbreaking.
Back in the days, we had to build the mold by hand, and all this together cost us 2 or 3 months per piece. And now it is from the idea to having the actual physical mold in our hand as short as 2 weeks. Stratasys wants to make us better, and this is fantastic.